Hey everybody, how you doing? Clint from the Mix Morning Show on Mix 92.9. I have with me today the one and only Bobby Moose of SMC Soft Wash. How you doing, Bobby?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Great. Okay, tell me, what is Soft Wash?
Soft Wash is a newer technology. For years, pressure washing has been the answer to clean any exterior surface. I'm a general contractor, and what I was doing is I was hiring pressure washer companies to come in and clean my projects after we were complete, and found that there was a lot of damage being done by pressure washers. So I went on a task to be able to find another answer besides pressure washing. Soft Wash is by far the best answer. Soft Wash allows the chemical to do all the cleaning and eliminates the need for high pressure. High pressure damages structures. Soft Wash does not.
I love my pressure washer though. All right, it's like my favorite tool because you get to see the action going. You get the satisfaction of seeing the dirt go away with Soft Wash.
Very much so.
Okay, good.
Very
All
much
right,
so.
good.
I know the satisfaction that you're talking about. Yeah. Soft Wash takes pressure washing a step further. Pressure washing, a lot of people don't know, will drive mold spores and mildew spores back down into porous surfaces. Where Soft Wash, the chemical goes into those porous surfaces and kills those mold spores and mildew, therefore giving you a much better application. It lasts twice as long as pressure washing, much better solution.
Wow, oh my goodness, that's amazing. So you now have this incredible truck. You can show up anywhere.
That's correct.
And offer this service to anybody in the Middle Tennessee area or anywhere, right?
That's correct, residential and business.
Okay, so you do residential and business, all
Yes.
right. Now, we're at a house here that looks to be, what, 3,000 square feet?
That's correct.
How long is it going to take you to do this?
About 2 hours tops.
Whoa, so this is a lot quicker than pressure washing, too.
It is quicker.
You're in and out and done and everything looks great.
That's correct, and it's a biodegradable chemical, so it's eco-friendly.
Okay, so that gets me to my next point. What about my dogs, cats, and kids?
They're 100% safe. What we do is we spray the chemical hard, and then we spray a chemical that's called halt, that'll actually halt the chemical process.
Now, you also offer another service, which is very key right now, which is a COVID cleaner. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. It's a product called SandQ that we offer. It is for any exterior and interior surface. The benefit of a company like me doing it is we do it about 100 times faster than employees wiping it down with claws. Ours is a spray, no rinse. It's CDC approved and it's food safe. And it kills any virus or, for instance, COVID within 4 seconds of contact. So it's extremely quick, it's painless, and it's an incredibly cost-effective way to be able to sanitize anything.
Wow, so 100% saturation, 100 times faster, and it looks way better after it's done than I would have done, huh?
Yes, sir.
Man, this is incredible stuff. All right, well, now we're gonna go check out Soft Wash right now and see it in action. I cannot wait to see this stuff working. All right, so here we are. We got it going on. The Soft Wash is happening. Bobby, what is happening right now? What is this process?
Right now my tech is saturating the area with the chemical. It is a blend of chemicals that'll kill the mold, mildew, and help remove some of the grime. And then
we're already seeing the dirt and grime running off of the walls. The stuff that's left up there, how long until it all disappears?
It depends upon how baked in it is to the surface, but anywhere from 5 to 15 minutes is how long you leave it. Also, the heat and weather dictates how long you can leave it on as well.
So within
5 to 15 minutes, it's going to be clean.
This is going to be completely clean.
Yes.
Amazing, amazing. Wow, look at that. The gutter up there, the gutter up there 2 minutes ago was almost black.
That's correct.
And now, it's almost completely clean. And we've got just a few more minutes and it's going to be. It's incredible.
It is incredible.
Wow.
And with no pressure. And that's the phenomenal thing about it, is you're not damaging your home. This is 100% environmental friendly. The chemical does the work. We come back in with a nice warm wash. It washes away all the dirt and grime that's been lifted to the surface by the chemical. Now you've got a clean surface. That'll last you a while.
Is there any surface that we can't do this on?
No, sir.
Anything?
I've got a formula for every surface. Metal, stone, brick, pavers, siding, mortar, for your mortar joints, for your brick, We do grooves as well to get rid of all that black oxidation that's coming down. There's literally no surface that we can't clean.
Wow. And how small is a small job? How big of a big job?
There's no job too small for us. We'll take any job for anybody. We like to help people. We like to be able to serve people. Large jobs, we can go all the way to the Titan Stadium if we need to.
You hear that, Titans? Come on. You know you want this guy, and he can do the COVID killing for you too.
That's correct.
Incredible stuff. Bobby, thank you so much. We're going to continue watching this and see how this goes. My goodness, look at that. What? I mean, it hasn't even been 5 minutes, and that looks like it was almost brand new siding.
Yes, sir. And that's the miracle about this is no pressure, and it's coming 100% clean.
Incredible. Incredible. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much. I greatly appreciate it.
Yep. You guys, give Bobby a call. He's ready for you right now. He's got a crew ready to go. They're amazing people. They will help you out, and they're going to make your house look incredible. All of your neighbors are going to be so jealous when they see this.